Basu from Key Art and Design. So today we have come for UID form filling, as I have already told you about UID, and so today you can fill the form from we have given the form link in our description box, and we will tell you step by step. My office will tell you step by step about UID's form filling and how you can fill in. If there is any problem to fill the form, you can always WhatsApp me in this number, and after you filled the form you can send me the form applications form pic. Then I will send you sample paper. If you fill the form from our side, then of course we will help you all together till the end of the exam. And of course there is, as you know, the first paper is on 7th January, and it is online exam, and the next paper will be, if you be selected in the first paper, then the next paper will be on the campus. It is so either you can choose from both the campuses, either in Delhi or Ahmedabad, and there you can go and do the second paper. And the second paper is of course situation test and portfolio review. So you can choose that the campus, and any problem during all the exam process and other process, you can always WhatsApp me in this number. So now my office will tell you all about filling the form.
ID. A login registration page will appear on the screen. Fill in all the details, that is name, surname, email address and your mobile number. An OTP will be sent to the given mobile number. Fill in the OTP and click on sign up. Once you have registered, click on apply now. Here comes the UID admission form. It consists of 4 sections: personal details, guardian details, education details, and at last payment details. Select whether you are applying for undergraduate or postgraduate program. Next, select the course you want to study. Select campus according to your preference. Now select the specialization you want to study. Now here comes the personal details. Some of them is already filled by you when you registered before. All you have to fill now is an alternate email ID and mobile number. It can be your other email ID or someone from your family. Now select your date of birth. Fill in your nationality. Select the government ID you have with you already. Next, fill in the ID number of the government ID you provided above. Now select your gender, blood group, religion and caste category. Now select yes or no if you have appeared for the test earlier. Now fill in your address details and click on save. Next, select at least 2 options from your list as your guardian. Next, fill in your guardian details, that is name, mobile number, email address, qualification, profession and annual income. Now click on save and next option. Next comes the education details. Fill your name as per 10th mark sheet, name of the board you studied, name of the school, subjects, year of passing and your final result. Now fill what you have pursued after 10th. Now fill in the 12th class details, name of board, institution, stream, year of passing and result status. If cleared, fill in the final result. Next, select yes or no if you have done any other diploma or professional course. Next, select if you are pursuing or done with graduation. Next, enlist your achievements. Next, enlist your extracurricular and community activities. Select yes or no if you have any previous design exposure. Next, select yes or no if you have any prior work experience. Kindly upload a passport size photograph of yours. Make sure it should not be more than 3 MB. Save and next. Select the application submission date and date of payment and submit the application.
Okay, now I think everybody must have seen the form filling video and they know how to fill the form. After you fill the form, again I'll tell you that you can send me the application form pic, then I will send you all the details, more detail whatever you want. And of course you can visit our all the videos which are there for UID, so that you can get to know more about UID, how is about an UID NCR, or you want to know about UID Ahmedabad. So all the videos are there from last 2 years we have already posted, so it will be in the description box, you can see them. And any problem, any for exam purpose, or about the portfolio, how to make it, or how to do the final works, whatever you require, just WhatsApp me and I will throughoutly guide you for your any guidance you require for UID exam. So I think this is very important for the students who are going for UID exam. As you know, UID has takes only once a year exam like NID and NIFT, so you should fill it as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last date. And so this is very important for the students who want to go to UID. Do like and share, and those who are coming first time in this channel, do subscribe us. So then again we will meet with lots of video. Bye for today.